I'm at one of my clients' workplace, and what they do is they make signages, and I'm doing business elevation to them. I'm at a client's workplace where she deals with signages and advertisement. I've been working on how to elevate her business to seven figures. One of the problems that I realized right when I got in is kind of items that shows delivered to the clients. When you want to make money, you have to understand that the client will always pay as per the value that you bring to the marketplace. So we were structuring with her, especially this module that works on the advertisement. This is where the canvas is to be put. And based on my knowledge in engineering, I decided that she can put much economy on the structures that she uses. The expense in economy nowadays, you could use things like the angle lines, which can cut the cost dramatically compared to the heavy gauge material. With my knowledge of strength of material and how to harness the tensile stress and tensile strain, as long as these things are put together and they are fused together with bolts and nuts. First of all, there are small squares that have been put together to ensure that the whole thing becomes a solid and a rigid structure which doesn't go down with strong weights, because it will be a canvas of 12 by 12 feet. So you can imagine that it will be a very wide item that is an obstruction on the wind, probably on the line of wind, and so much had to be done, and much consideration, especially when it comes to the concepts that put together this thing. I was also working with her on how to be crafty and to make sure that clients, whatever that they are providing, provides absolute help to the clients when it comes to their advertisement, because somebody will subscribe her for their content to be seen by the clients at an affordable rate, and to have the business grow rapidly is almost immediately after the advertisement is done. That is, they try to launch or skyrocket their business through whichever means. So my work in this is to supervise the work as a business coach, is to supervise the work that is being done, and to ensure that whatever that we want the client to attain as far as my students' work is concerned is 100%, to ensure for the results that I promise. Because I usually promise that in 3 months you should have doubled or tripled your business, however big or however small it is. We'll keep in touch, and remember to subscribe to my channel as well as join the Business Elevation Masterclass, and I'll give you the basics that will help your business grow fast in the shortest time possible.